What? Spatial audio too? This is just like an underground rave in Los Angeles. I feel like I'm a VIP. Yes, the 3D is so real. I feel like I can touch her. Yes, let's party. Let's dance. Whoa, let's dance. Let's party. This is the tutorial you have all been waiting for. Watch VR180 and 3D 360 immersive video locally in the highest 8K resolution on your Apple Vision Pro. Turn it into an epic immersive machine for passive entertainment. If you have a personal collection of 3D 180 videos, this is the guide you don't want to miss. Even better, the workflow is completely free and is so easy and fast.
You look like you're trying to grab on some titties.
Shut up! If you don't have any local 8K VR180 or 8K 3D 360 immersive video yet, we have providing our original VR films, the ones that has millions of views on Metaquest TV, completely free with love for you to download and ready to be played on your Apple Vision Pro. If you are looking for immersive video beyond those 4 Apple original titles, you are at the right place. Trust me, you have not experiencing the true potential of Apple Vision Pro until you play back 8K immersive media locally inside this bad boy without internet connection. Let's go! Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here, back for another Apple Vision Pro tutorial. One video a day, as I promised. This is the fastest way to master your Vision Pro. So if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will keep this one short. There are 2 ways to watch your own immersive VR180 or 3D 360 media. The first one is completely free and happens to be the best with even spatial audio. I was blown away when I got this to work, so very soon you will have the exact same reaction. Go to the VisionOS App Store here and download Moon Player. It's completely free now, so go get it before it's too late. Then transfer your large immersive media onto your Vision Pro. The best way I found is using iCloud. In your iCloud drive, create a folder called Immersive Video and drop all your immersive video there. This allows you to save money to get the 250 gig version of the Vision Pro instead of the 1 TB version. If you have the 1 TB version like me, you can always download it from your iCloud into your local Vision Pro storage. I am always looking out for your wallet. Drop me a like. Go to your Files app. Under Location, you should see your iCloud drive. Sync with your iCloud if they are not synced already yet. Now open Moon Player. Select Import from Files, go to your iCloud drive again. All your immersive media are there. Let's try our award-winning VR film, Vanilla Lily, a Kitty Turner's original film for Valentine's Day, shot in Paris, France. This video is at 8K 60 frames per second HDR10. It says importing, then it will play immediately. It does not look correct initially because the film is rendered from DaVinci Resolve and is missing metadata. No worries though, select the 3D icon right here and tell the player this is a left and right stereoscopic side-by-side video. Then tap the map looking icon right here and select VR180. Look at that! I am using a 4K 30 frames per second screen capture so you can see the original one-eye quality. 8K looks good as Metaquest 3 or maybe slightly better. The pixel look clean, moving my head very fast. It does not have motion warping problems. It does not have depth parallax though. If you are wondering, that is not spatial video, just 3D 180 video. It is the smoothest VR 180 video I have ever experienced. The Adventure Immersive TV series on Apple TV is at 8640 by 4320 HDR10, 90 frames per second in average 50 megabit per second streaming quality. This should give you an idea of the top limit. 90 frames per second does look a little hyper-realistic in the video. That is why the adventure video on Apple TV seemed kinda fake, but the action is smooth. So I will try 90 frames per second for my next VR180 film. I just need to find a camera that can shoot such a high frame rate in 8K quality. How about color in HDR10? The next video we are trying is my LED flow art dance, which is shot in extreme low light condition. If you look at the black area, it is true black. The colors look pop. I think it can look even better, but even in generation 1, the color look much better than just the LED display on the Meta Quest 3. This is the best looking headset to playback 8K immersive media, no doubt about it. Seeing is believing. If you have a Vision Pro, go to my YouTube version of these two videos, Vanilla Lily and LED Flow Art Immersive Experience, link in the description down below, and download them for free and see it yourself. I provided both 6K 60 megabit per second and 8K 80 megabit per second versions. If you cannot play back smoothly on the 8K version, try the 6K version first. While you edit, drop me a thank you comment down below and share this video on your social media. If more people watch this video, more immersive spatial video I will provide for free. It is a win-win. Can it play back 3D 360 video? Yes, it can. This is In Tandem, another romantic comedy directed by our one and only female director, Kitty Turner. It is shot on Insta360 Titan in 8K. Unfortunately, I cannot get the 7680 by 7680 full 8K version to play back on Moon Player, so we have to settle for 5670 by 5670 6K 3D. It still looks really good and you are fully immersed in this one. There is no more black in the back. It offers a very different immersive experience. We are currently remastering the old film for Vision Pro right now, so when it is done, I will also offer In Tandem to download so you can see it in your Vision Pro as a reference. Check the original video on YouTube in a week and the download link should be posted very soon. Right now, the Moon Player projection is not perfect. It has some kind of fisheye warping distortion and you can tell from the straight line object like the chair and the painting right here. I'm sure it will get better in the next update. There is another app called Reality Player, which is not free. It costs $9. It also plays immersive video, but it only works with side-by-side 180 and 360 videos. It does not support top and bottom 3D 360 video yet. It has a pretty choppy playback right now, so I currently would not recommend that. So there you have it, a free way to play immersive 180 and 360 video in its highest quality. We have to remember, Apple Vision Pro just launched last Friday. If you saw my live stream, nothing is working. In just a week, we now have smooth 8K immersive video playback locally, which looks amazing. Is this remind you of something? Yes, iPhone Gen 1. Apple is not the champion here. The Apple developer community is. The apps make the hardware great, not the other way around. I really think Vision Pro will be the next big thing because the passion behind the Apple developer community. If you are an Apple developer, you did a great job and keep at it. We love you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give this video a thumb up. If you want to learn how to shoot immersive 180 and 360 videos for Apple Vision Pro right here, those tutorial lessons are coming next in this channel. I will see you next time.
Oh, I see my hand. Go grab her. Oh my god.
Stop grabbing boobies.
I can choke him.
Hugh,
I can
don't choke and grab boobies at the same time.
I can choke him. Look, I can choke him.
Hugh, stop.